somebody asked about this concept of using painting tools to make selections. And technically you can, it's a different thought process, okay? And what that gets us into is this concept called masking. And when we talk about masking, basically what we're doing is we're protecting areas that we don't want to be affected. Or in other cases, we're hiding areas that we don't want to see. Masking is just like a Halloween mask. You put it on your face. Obviously, we know your face is still there. It's just that portion has been hidden by something else. So one of the techniques that you can use that does incorporate the brush tool, which is your actual painting tool, is when I make a selection, at the bottom of the toolbar is a button that kind of looks like a dotted circle inside of a square. And when you place your cursor on it, it says Edit in Quick Mask Mode. When you click on that button, everything outside of the selected area now has this red coating or red color over it. And the reason it has this color is because prior to computers, in order for us to manipulate photos and backgrounds and that kind of thing, we literally had to take another new photo of the photo we were playing around with. But in order to block out parts of the image that we didn't want to show up in the new photo, you used literally a red thin piece of film and place that over the top of the photo. That was the masking technique. So anything underneath that red film wouldn't show up in the next picture. That concept translates over here in the computer environment by just simply showing you everything that's behind this red background is not going to show up, or in this case is not currently selected. Now, if I want to refine this selection, one of the things that I can do specifically with this quick mask mode is I can use the brush tool. So just like you were painting, and with that brush tool, when I paint with the color black, so the color black has to be the top color or a foreground color. When I paint with it, that area will become red. And when I go out of the quick mask mode by clicking on the button that we previously clicked on, which now looks like kind of the Japanese flag, looks like a solid circle inside of a rectangle at the bottom of your toolbar. When you click, now only the portion that was white is your new selection.
Speaking about selections,